Easily add your shades to your home in the 3-Day Blinds app. Select Add Shades from the Rooms tab, then name your home to get started. Next, you'll see a list of available shades. Set up one shade at a time. To identify a shade, select Jog to move the shade slightly up and down. Once identified, select Setup to continue. This brings you to Shade Settings. Enter a name for the shade and add it to a room. You can create a new room or add the shade to an existing room. When creating a room, enter a custom name and choose from available images, or tap Select from Suggested to choose from a list of frequently created rooms. Once you save the shade, it is added to the home, and you will be brought back to the Manage Shades list. Repeat this process until you've added all the desired shades, then tap Done to return to the Rooms tab. If you want to add additional shades later, simply tap the menu in the upper right-hand corner and select Manage Shades to return to your shades list. You can create customized scenes to control a selection of shades in a single room or across multiple rooms. To create a new scene, navigate to the Scenes tab. If no scenes have been added to the home, tap on Add Scene. To add additional scenes, tap the plus button located in the upper right corner. Select an image. Name the scene. Tap Choose Shades and select the desired shades from the list. At this point, you can confirm the shade position. Current shade positions will automatically be saved as the scene position. If you are happy with the current positions, simply tap Done and then Save to finalize the scene. To modify the shade position for your scene, select each desired shade one by one and manually adjust the position as desired. Then tap Done to save the set positions. Repeat these steps for any additional scenes. Schedule timers for more intuitive control of scenes, activating specific scenes based on the time of day. Timers are designed to work with your everyday life without having to lift a finger. Navigate to the Timers tab to create a timer. If no timers have been added to the home yet, tap on Add Timer. To add additional timers, tap the plus button located in the upper right corner. Choose the scene that you would like to schedule. You can choose any existing scene in the home. Tap on Set Schedule and select the days of the week you would like this timer to activate. Then, select when you would like this timer to occur. You can choose a specific time or a time based on your local sunrise or sunset. For example, you can set up a morning scene to activate at 7 a.m. on Mondays through Fridays. Tap Done to save the timer. All timers will appear on the Timers tab after they are saved. You can easily enable or disable timers at any time. This may be helpful when traveling, on holidays, etc. Remotes are also programmed in the app. Tap the menu in the upper right-hand corner on the Rooms tab and then select Manage Accessories to add a remote. You can also add a remote by selecting Accessories from the menu in the upper left-hand corner on any tab. Tap the plus button and then Add Remote to add a new remote. Name the remote. If you will be adding multiple remotes to this home, we recommend naming the remote with the room name. This will allow you to easily identify remotes when updating programming. Next, configure the remote. Choose the desired group number, 1 to 5, and then select the shades to assign to that group. Repeat this for all desired shades and group numbers. Please note that 0 is an all shades group, so you do not need to select it during the programming process. All shades added to groups 1 to 5 will appear under group 0 automatically. A maximum of 10 unique shades can be added per remote. Tap Link and follow the in-app instructions to synchronize the settings you created to the physical remote. When linking is complete, a remote linked message will appear in the app. Tap Done to return to the accessories list with the new remote shown. Repeat the steps above to add any additional remotes. The Favorite button on the remote features a star icon. Press the Favorite button once to move the selected shade to your preset favorite position of 50% open. To customize your favorite position in the app, Tap on the gear icon for the desired shade to access shade settings. Select Favorite Position under Additional Settings. Use the slider to modify the shade position. Tap Set Favorite to save the new position, then tap Done. The new favorite position will now be updated on your remote. Go to Shade Settings to adjust limits. In order to protect your shade, you will not be able to exit the limit setting process until all necessary limits for this shade have been set. Leaving the app or disconnecting power from your shade during this process may cause damage to your shade. When you are ready to proceed, tap Continue. First, set the top limit. Press and hold the controls to move the shade or tap to nudge the shade. Release control to stop the shade. Once the shade is in the desired top limit position, tap Set Limit. Success! Your top limit has been set. Next, set the bottom limit. Press and hold the controls to move or tap to nudge the shade. Release control to stop the shade. Once the shade is in the desired bottom limit position, tap Set Limit. Success! Your bottom limit has been set. Some shade types will have additional limit options. You can adjust any available limits. Your shade comes pre-installed with a magnetic charging tip inserted into the charging port on the headrail. Simply connect the magnetic end of your charging cable to the tip inserted in the charging port. If your product does not have a magnetic charging tip and cable, insert the USB-C male end of the charging cable into the charging port on the headrail.